Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to talk about Docker Desktop and how to install Docker Desktop on macOS. I'll put up another video for installation of Docker Desktop on Windows. In my last video, I have explained how Docker works, what is the purpose of Docker, how Docker is improving the virtualization in terms of software. Now let's get our hand dirty by seeing how to install this free tool Docker Desktop on the macOS. So guys, in order to install the Docker Desktop on macOS, the foremost thing is just you can search for Docker Desktop on Google search. So let's say when we search it, the first one of the search results would give you this Docker Desktop tool link. When you click on this, this would take you to the #1 containerization software for developers and teams. One of the things which we need to do is you select on the download Docker Desktop. Now, because for a Mac based and even now for Windows, you would find two flavors. One is the Intel based chips and one is the ARM, or even known as the Apple Silicon. So what we could do is I'm just gonna download the download for Mac Apple Silicon. This is the one which I need because I'm running on a M2 MacBook Air. So once I click this, I just need to allow it. It gets downloaded, and once it is downloaded, we just need to install it. Some basics, simplistic software that you should be able to install. So you get the docker.dmg, and once you click on this, it is gonna ask you whether you drag and drop this Docker software into the applications. So I already have a Docker desktop installation over here. So I'm not gonna do it because I'm running certain kind of a containers for my certain POCs. And this one, I just need to push this icon and put it into the applications. So once you put it, this Docker would be able to be so the Docker is going to be installed within your applications, and then we could start using the application. Now once the Docker is installed, what we could do is we could just search for Docker, and once I search for Docker, this is the one. It starts open it out. These are the containers, images, volumes, and this is my what you call as extensions. So there are a bunch of tools which you need to you could see within the Docker Desktop tool, and I'm running a personal one which is a free one. The Docker Desktop engine is running, and you could see your images which are there. I have multiple images for different things from which I could actually start off the containers. So I hope guys, this is a simplistic way of installing Docker on the Mac OS. And once you install it, the Docker Desktop runs it in the background. And do remember that even if the Docker Desktop is running, let's say you're on a battery or Mac, you don't want, it kind of saves your battery and saves other things by kind of stopping the processes if it is not effectively used for some amount of time. So I hope guys, this would actually help you to install Docker on your macOS. I'll be coming with one more video of how to installing Docker Desktop on Windows based laptops. So still then, stay tuned, stay safe, and thank you.